Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm just going to jump right into the video. So I will be using the Passion Twist hair and Marley hair. I purchased both types of hair from Amazon. Everything will be linked in the description box. The Passion Twist hair I have here, it came with, this is actually the Marley hair, which came with 3 bundles. It was 15 pieces per bundle, so I had 45 total. And then for the Passion Twist hair, I had 8 packs and there were 18 strands per pack. However, I only used about 5 packs and not entirely. So yeah, there's more than enough hair. So this here is the Marley hair. You're going to braid your hair in individual braids, and then you just braid the Marley hair around your braid, and you separate the Marley hair into 2 pieces, not 3, just so you can have less tension on your hair. As you can see, I did not braid the Marley hair into my hair because I just feel like that's going to put way more tension on your head. So after you do that, you're going to take one strand of the Passion Twist hair and crochet it through and pull one side out. You're going to have one long side and one short side. And you see I did not braid all the way down. I just braid about 1.5 inches down. And then you begin to wrap. So once you pull it through, just leave enough hair on that end to cover the braid. Just line it up with the braid. And then I wrap about like 4 times at the root. And then I begin to just wrap. And then eventually I start to do the thumb method. I've gotten so much better with the thumb method. I realized what I was doing wrong, y'all. Like, you have to wrap before and right after the loop when you're doing the thumb method, if that makes sense. But yeah, then after that, you can just speed it up and everything will go into play. Like, you don't want it to be very neat. You want it to be messy. That's how you get the butterfly effect. If you start to be neat, it's going to look more like faux locks or something like that. But yeah, and once you come down to the end, you're going to see this how the end looks. So you just wrap all the way down. Sometimes I start to wrap up halfway through. So now we're taking another piece of the Passion Twist hair and lining it up with whatever is left, and then we're just going to just start wrapping it again to finish off this lock. And I did not wrap all the way down because I really didn't want mine to be that long. I have 24 inch in the Marley hair and Passion Twist hair, but this is about a 22 inch because I didn't wrap all the way down. You will see that at the end. So once I got to my desired length, I just started to wrap upward with the Passion Twist hair, as you can see here. And this is my first time doing the extended butterfly locks. I usually only use the Passion Twist hair just to get the short length or medium length butterfly locks. But I was like, let me try something new. Okay, so you just continue wrapping upwards until you run out of Passion Twist hair, and you just leave the Marley hair right there that's on the end. You can continue wrapping all the way down if you want your locks to be that long, but I did not want mine super long, so I did cut the Marley hair off. You can keep it like this if you would like, but I pulled some of the Passion Twist hair back. That way it's like it's not so fuzzy like. So now it just look like a regular lock at the end, and yeah, that's how you do it. And if y'all see my parts at the beginning, please do not mind. I was struggling with my parts this time. I had to get a little bit of help, but I was still struggling, but they're decent. So again, you want to take the Marley hair and braid it around your braid. And notice that I did not separate the Marley hair into 3 pieces. I just left it as 2 and used the braid as the 3rd strand. And yeah, and I only braided down about 1.5 inches, no more than 2 inches down. And then want to take that Passion Twist hair, bring it on through and line it up with the braid, or you can leave a little bit more out depending on, it's just depend on you. If you would like your locks to be thicker, you can leave more Passion Twist hair with the Marley hair to wrap, if that makes sense. And again, at the root, I wrap about 4 times, and then I begin to wrap downward and then start the thumb method. And also, I know I told you guys that I have the 24 inch in the Marley hair and the Passion Twist hair. I was looking for the 22 inch, but they did not have it. And yeah, if you want your locks to be long, it's important that you get long Marley hair or Cuban twist hair. But You don't have to get very long passion twist hair. I just got that because it was a better deal. So yeah, so for example, if you had a 20-inch passion twist hair, it will be fine. And something to know, if you're using this method to do your butterfly locks, it is more work because you're pretty much braiding twice. But the reason why I didn't want to use the Marley hair and braid it with my hair is because it was going to be more tension. You know, you're braiding your hair and then you got to wrap the passion twist around it. And I did not want my hair to be super tight and the weave pulling on my hair. So that's why I braided the Marley hair around my braid. And also, you know, you don't want that knot at the beginning of the braid at the root, and you're not going to do the feed-in method with Marley hair as well. So yeah, that's why I did it like that. And some people also complain about butterfly locks getting a little loose over time. Well, no, like early actually. You're not going to have this problem because the Marley hair is pretty much like yaki or yaki. Versus the passion twist is very soft and smooth. So the Marley hair will help your butterfly locks last longer because it's not going to get loose easily because of the Marley hair. And I only have 43 locks in my head. I do not recommend going over 45 to 48 really. Make sure you stay under 50 because with butterfly locks it can become bulky very quick and easily. So yeah, I think 43 is good. It's look very full and not too full. And here I have 4 left, but I decided to turn them into 6. So I did 3 on each side because I did not want them to be that big, the parts to be that big. So I did change that to 6 braids instead of 4. And I think I like that more, especially for the middle section. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all continue watching, and we're on the last one. Y'all, don't talk about my nails. Don't talk about them. But yeah, we're done. Here's the final look. I cannot wait for them to get like 2 weeks old because I'm gonna like them more. But yeah, I really like them. They're so cute, and I like that they're longer because I usually do like shorter butterfly locks. But yeah, that's everything. Make sure you like, comment, share, and hit the red button.